Okay, so welcome back to the third part of this video. Now, in this part of the video, we're gonna be focusing on how to add the windows and additional doors, right? Yeah, windows and doors. Yeah, did you try? Yeah, all right. So for this, I'm turning the camera. So the windows, you want the windows to be 1200 by 1200 by 150. So draw the rectangle for that. So draw the windows, all right? All right. All right.
Done.
All right, good. You want to make a copy of that and then rotate it. All right. Make a copy, then rotate.
But oh yeah.
Make a copy of that, then rotate the copy that you make. All right.
What's the base point?
You choose your want to use as a base point. It's up to you. So we want one vertical and one horizontal. All right.
I don't know my horizontals. Where should we do base point?
Anywhere you want to use as a base point, just rotate it at 90 degrees. All right, good. Now look at the drawing. You're gonna copy. You want a window. Zoom into the drawing. You want a window here. You want a window. Want a window here. One window here. Want a window here.
It doesn't look like a window. Oh yeah, there's also.
Yeah, that's how window look on. All right. You want a window. Let me show you the put a window. Put a window here. So you're gonna copy it, yeah. You're gonna choose as the base point now. No, you can't choose the middle as the base point. The lower part, yeah. Not there, the lower part. Yeah. And then take off the orthogonal mode. Deactivate the orthogonal mode. Yeah. Alright, go up now. Drop in a window in the kitchen, right? Zoom in some more, yeah. Click. Yeah. Drop in one window. Continue. Why close the command, man? Let's continue to copy. Did you move our copies?
I'm gonna copy some more, okay?
No, you move it. Alright. Copy that. Copy that. You moved it. Copy. Not don't move, use copy.
You can copy.
Yeah, copy. Select all of it. Use the box to select it. Don't use that, yeah. Part of it is not selected. Alright. Use the window selection abbreviation. Copy. You have to use the middle, same point. Drop it one over here as well. Alright. Go down now, let me see where else we need a window. Go up, let me see. No window there. Go up to the bed.
Right here.
No, put down is up some more. Down. Go down to the bottom. Down to the bottom. Put a window right here. Put a window right there. You want to put up.
You need to rotate it.
To rotate it?
Mm-hmm.
No.
No, I want to like at the beginning.
Okay. So
okay, alright.
So just click outside for that one. Click outside. Click anywhere outside. Click a copy. Escape. Go for the vertical one now.
You have video?
Go for the vertical one. Yeah. Go for the vertical one now. And look, where choose that. You cannot choose yours as the basement. I feel center. Yeah. And you're gonna drop in. No, I forgot up some more. Up to the middle. Yeah, that is too large now. Zoom in some so you can see a big larger picture. Now the drawing is to zoom in some more so you can see all of the drawing. Hey, zoom out so you can see more of the drawing. Zoom out some more. You can see you need to see more of the drawing. Yeah. Zoom out some more still. You need a window. Alright. You
What about
need
right here?
yeah. But it won't allow you to snap right there. You have to use middle of 2 points. Use middle of 2 points. M2P. Middle of 2 points. No, let's put up type M2P. Middle of M2P. M2P. 2P. Middle of 2 points. Enter. Then touch here as 1 point. Yeah, click there. And click the end down there as next point. Bring the screen up here. Click here as next point. Yeah. See, that drop right in the middle of that. Alright, so that's enough window. No, you want a window here though. You want one window at this
You
point.
already did a window. Like
So
you said,
you should
it's
put
enough
it-
windows.
Put you in a door here. You want a window right here. One window right here. You want one here.
Got it. See? Enter.
You want a window for the bathroom as well. Choose inside there as the base point now. It's important, yeah. Not there. In a part. Inside here, yeah. Go over now.
2 bedroom.
Yeah, drop right to the middle right there. You want a window for the no. Up to the bathroom.
Bathroom?
Yeah, it has to have a window as well.
Where would you
Right
put it?
here on the wall right there. Go up some more. This side needs a window as well.
I already have like a
No, you
window.
need a window on this side as well. Yeah. Alright.
That's enough windows for now.
Alright. That's enough window for now for real. Yeah.
For real.
Alright. You want a door, you want some doors now. You want a door right here. Want a door, a main door here. 2 copies. See? You could select it and then copy it after.
Enter.
Specify a base point.
Which basically.
I would use probably here as my use here as my base point. Alright. You might need to do you know where you're gonna put that one? Put it add that one to the entrance of the house. Bring the drawing up. No, I mean down, sorry. You want a door someplace here. Put a door right at the middle right here. Yeah. Yeah, click there, yeah. One door there. Alright. I need to trim it out. No, don't escape it. Alright. Let's extend. Click on it and extend the wall. Oh, okay. No, but what you can't trim there. You need to zoom into it now. Zoom into the window and into the door. Clear the command. Clear the command. You need to click onto the door and the door need to bring down somewhere. This need to come down to here. So move it. Move it. Use here as the base point. M for move. Use M move, yeah. Choose, yeah, up here. There is the base point. Up more, yeah. 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 Bring it onto there. Nice. Great.
Now we trim.
Yeah, trim it out now. Alright, that's good. Trim it out now, bro. Alright, that will be easier. Alright. Let me see the drawing now. Typically you use a double door there, but I'm not gonna pressure you to use 2 doors there. Now you need a door for the bedroom. And a bed and a door for the bathroom as well. So you need a door right, one door right here.
Rotate.
But you could use this door, use this existing door right here. Use this one. Just copy this door. Copy this door.
Oh, okay.
And drop it down here.
That's the same thing.
Okay, go ahead and do what you want to do. I would rather use this. Do your thing. Do your thing. Right here. Drop it right here. Right here, Naeem. You want this so for the bedroom, yeah. Look it there. I rotate.
Oh my god.
Just flip it. Just flip it.
I fell.
Click onto it and click onto the door. You can flip it. Click onto the door. And
This one.
no, I have to move it. You have to move it. Undo. Let's press undo. You said to use that one I don't. You didn't hear me say to you. Just copy this one now. I'm disobedient, you know. Just copy this one, use you as the base point and drop it down there. You just love to do your own thing.
Where's the base point?
Use, where we use as the base point in this case. Look on the drawing. Yeah. And then drop it, and then drop it right here, bro. This is for this window. Yeah, click. Yeah. I mean for that door.
Now you
Trim
have
out there, so
trim.
now. Yeah.
Yeah, first of all.
Not there. Oh. Too many things, yeah.
Alright.
Do you want to the partner, bro?
Whatever. I can't.
This.
I can't.
Oh, guess what?
Oh my god, here.
You probably need to extend a little bit more. I mean, that wall might be a little bit too wide. Alright, trim out in the middle right here. Let me see. Trim out in the middle right there. Zoom in into this and trim it out.
I can't.
Alright, escape. I've deleted. Let's delete it. Alright, so the window, the doors are
What about the bathroom?
But here you need to trim out right here, Naeem. So just draw. Let me see if I can do this now. You probably need to
You just do that.
bring this down a little bit.
Oh.
Guess what? Let's draw a line from here to there then. Draw a
Why
line
not
from here
use
to there.
fillet?
No, fill it can't work in that case. Let's draw a line. Draw a line from here to there.
Can it be
In that
there
case,
to
yeah,
there?
from there to there, yeah.
Good.
That's good. No, that's good.
What about the bathroom?
That's not really. Yeah, put a door for in the bathroom as well.
We'll get.
So rotate one of those.
How do I right there?
Rotate. R-O.
Oh, I thought.
Yeah, rotate it using regular application.
Base point would be like right here.
Yeah. What angle gonna use?
90.
Enter 90 degrees then. Alright. Drop it into the drawing now.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry. I would insert it right here. I would use you as a point. I would paste it right here.
Alright.
Or probably in the middle. I don't know, probably could use here as a base point here. Yeah. And just drop it right in the middle right here. Right here, right here. Yeah. Click there. Yeah.
Trim out.
Trim out in a little space inside here as well. Zoom in into it. You might need to delete it.
Exactly.
Delete it, yeah. No. Undo. Trim it out. Undo and
I
trim.
won't use. Okay.
Undo and trim. Trim. TR. Enter again, bro. Yeah.
Good.
That's okay. So.
Our house.
And I would let the bathroom turn. Well, it's okay. It's okay. That is good. So you have one entrance to this bedroom, one entrance to that.
What's your petrol?
Oh, the patio. You need a door here from the patio into the living room.
Oh,
So
let's
put a door
copy.
right here. We want a vertical door. Yes, so copy a door. Copy a door for to this. Copy a door and put it right there. Not that one. That's want a vertical door. Yeah, the vertical one.
This one would be like right here.
Yeah. Alright. You're gonna match it. No, right here. You can drop it in the middle. Yeah.
GR.
Enter one more time, bro. Trim out in the middle right here as well.
Alright.
That's good. Zoom in all them so it look.
Zoom in?
Yeah.
Like,
I mean zoom out, sorry, so we can see a bigger picture. We want to see all of it. That look good. That look good so far, but you have to go on. I see the veranda. The veranda now is open, it's a cutout. So here is a cutout. So we need to change this. We need to change this type of line to broken line. Yeah. So draw a line over this line, or this line right here, this one. Change it to change that line with thickness.
you're confusing me right now.
I'm sorry. So we're gonna change this line and that line to
Which one?
to change. Click on that one. Click on this one, and use hidden detail line. So go up 2 layers and change to hidden detail line. Hope you have that. Have hidden detail line? No. You need to create a layer for hidden detail line. So create.
You did show me.
Well, go ahead and do it now. Let's create a new layer. Create a new layer for that. Add a new one for it, yeah. Call it hidden. HIDD, hidden.
E?
All caps, bro. All caps. All caps. All caps. Using
Why
common
all
letters.
caps?
Because it's building drawing. It's a drawing that you're doing. Hidden. And then choose a color. No, that's not spelled correctly. HIDDEN. HIDDEN. Hidden, yeah. Then choose a color and all that now.
I'll water. Blue.
You have blue already. Choose some other color. That's a little pale though. Now you choose green. You could choose green. A darker green, a darker shade of green. Alright. Alright. Change from line type now to no, click on the line type for it, bro. See it here? Load a line, load a different type of line. We want hidden, go up to hidden, just scroll to until you see hidden. Scroll all the way up, scroll faster, man. H, A, I said like A, B, C, R, oh, dash, go up to that. H, I go, continue. Yeah, hidden X2, hidden X2, yeah. Okay, yeah. Click on it, no, load it, click on it now to get it there. Okay, all right. Change from default to 0.25. All right.